Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Salesforce Flow to automate your business processes using the most advanced 2026 technical methods. This is a mechanical necessity for any professional looking to move beyond simple amateur quality workflows and technicality build high-end studio-level automation for their 2026 bookkeeping and market analysis. Let's get into it. First, access the Flow Builder workspace. The first step is a mechanical necessity to initialize your automation environment. The Flow Builder is the primary hub where all high-end technical logic is candidly constructed. Click the gear icon in the top right to enter Setup. In the Quick Find box, type Flows and select it. Click on New Flow to open the technical workspace. Navigating here is a professional standard for admins. It technicality separates your standard CRM records from the back-end automation engine, ensuring your studio environment remains organized and secure. Next, choose your flow trigger type. Before you can technicality build your logic, you must candidly define what event starts the automation. Selecting the right trigger is a high-end mechanical necessity for system performance. Select Record Triggered Flow if you want the automation to run when a record is created or updated. Choose your object, like Opportunity, and set the technical criteria for when the flow should fire. Choosing the trigger type, technicality dictates the scope of your bookkeeping. A record-triggered flow is a professional standard for real-time market analysis, ensuring your data moves at a high-end speed without manual intervention. Next, add high-end logic elements. This is where you technicality define the decision-making process of your automation. Click the plus icon on the flow canvas to create an element. Choose a decision element to create branching paths or an update records element to technicality change data in your records. Elements are the mechanical necessity of any flow. They allow you to candidly build complex professional logic, ensuring your technical bookkeeping follows the exact high-end rules of your business. And that's pretty much it. To use Salesforce Flow in 2026, navigate to Setup/Flows and create a new flow. Technicality select your trigger type, add logic elements like decisions and updates, and configure your outbound actions. Finally, use the debug tool to verify your high-end technical results before clicking Activate. This professional workflow ensures your analysis is technicality automated and high-end in its execution. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.